Have you ever wondered if one simple cup of herbal tea could become part of your healthy daily routine? Have you ever? Yeah. Today, we are talking about rosemary, and we are going to make rosemary herbal tea. This is a fragrant herbal drink that many people enjoy. In fact, rosemary can be enjoyed in many ways. You can add it in your foods, in your stews, but today we are going to make herbal tea using the rosemary. Rosemary is an aromatic herb that has been used in cooking in traditional herbal practices for centuries. When brewed into tea, it creates a warm, soothing drink that is naturally caffeine-free. So who wants to have caffeine things, guys? Let's switch to rosemary. Why we need to enjoy our rosemary is because, one, it contains antioxidants that help our bodies to protect against cell damage. So every other person wants to have a healthy body every day. So it's important you take a cup of rosemary to act as an antioxidant to protect your body cells from being damaged by everyday wear and tear. Other people, guys, consume rosemary to support the normal digestion. It's very good for digestion, especially when you always struggling with bloating and constipation. Just take a cup of rosemary and you'll thank me later. I was growing up, we used to be taught, when you forget things that you've eaten a lot. Guys, if you are that kind of person who forgets things easily, make rosemary tea your friend. Just a cup of tea will boost your, your thinking, your potential to supporting in memory and concentration. So guys, I think it's also important to give your kids who are in school to concentrate better. So rosemary is very good for every other person in your house. So let's do this. Let's make our rosemary. I believe you have understood the importance and many other important benefits. But for today, let's talk about those three. So let me show you how we make rosemary tea. As you can see, I have many branches of rosemary. Sorry for this. So because today we are going to make just a cup of 1 cup for one person, I am going to use only this one branch. I want it conk, so I'm just going to use this one. You can decide to remove the leaves from the stem, from the branch, but for me, I'm going to boil it the way it is. So first I'm going to wash it. So it's already washed in a pot. Then now you add a cup of clean water, fresh drinking water. We are going to do a cup and a half. Done 1 cup, the half, like that's so nice. Make sure that the water is enough. We are going to boil this one until the water reduces to make a cup. So let's do that, guys. There goes our tea, guys. Let's give it time to boil. Remember, it has to reduce from 1.5 cups to 1 cup. So let's our rosemary tea is still boiling. Let us give it more time. Remember, we want it to brew until it reaches 1 cup so that it can be home. So let's give it more time. So nice. So we are going to serve our tea and enjoy. So nice, guys. Nice, look at it. So nice. Exactly 1 cup. That's exactly what we wanted. You can sieve it, but of course, it's not a must. We want to flavor it. Flavor with lemon, the lemon is also good. Some nice and balance. Full in vitamin C. So we want to get all the benefits for these cold days. You can flavor also with honey. But me today, I'm going to enjoy with my lemon flavor. So guys, allow me to enjoy my rosemary tea. Until next time, bye bye for now.